we're sailing now. Yahoo! Pretty smooth ride, about 80 degrees. Hope the rope don't break. Long ways down. Actually, very smooth. Very smooth ride. Little bit of breeze. I thought it would be windier, but it's not. See quite a few boats over here. There's the big cruise ship, Norwegian Cruise Lines. Comes here every Wednesday. There's my canopy. The smiley face. Oh, this is cool. Nice and smooth. He's heading for the shore of California. I wish. There's the cruise ship behind us again. Big ship. A few sailboats out there. Oh, we're getting up here now. Over 500 feet high, 1,200 feet of rope out. When they pull me in, they're going to dip my feet in the water just for a quick dip. There's my towboat. He's slowed way down now. And I'm coming down, down, down. Then they'll speed up and I'll go up again. Beautiful day on the big island of Hawaii. Going fishing tomorrow out in the ocean. Oh, there we're going up, 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 up. Then on Saturday we're going for an ATV ride, 3 hours around the rim on the other side of the island. So that should be a lot of fun. And then we get to go swimming in the ocean too. Have a little snack while we take a rest with the ATVs. Boy, just a nice cool breeze, 80 some degrees. Boy, I'm getting up in the air now. Don't see no whales, but they seen whales earlier. They're out here. We seen quite a few whales on the beach, from the beach when we had a couple different beach spots last week. There was six other people on the boat that they rode double. I'm a single one riding this single. There was supposed to be another lady coming out, and they said she rides every week, but she didn't make it to the boat in time, so we took off without her. So I did get to get my solo ride by myself. I can't believe how not so windy it is up here. I figured it'd be just like 100 miles an hour sticking your head out the window going down the highway, but it is very nice. Just a gentle breeze up here. Very smooth. Well, somewhere up there along the coast there is our condo where we're staying. The big hotels there where we had our luau the other night, last couple nights ago on the beach. So I think we're right up about there. Our condo's not too far up. Not too far up from the beach. Beautiful day today. Straight down. Like to have had my cell phone up here or my other camera, but I gotta have one hand to hang on with. Run the GoPro camera with my other hand. I think that boat in the water right there is the submarine that I rode here the other day. This is the town of Kona here. Just as smooth as can be up here. Boat ride was a little bumpy at times, but they're starting to reel me in. I can feel it coming down. Kind of jerky now. They're reeling me in. Coming down fast. Look at that blue water. Absolutely a gorgeous view. Yeah, there's our condo right straight ahead there. There's about 3 layers deep, where I think we're in about the 2nd layer, maybe the 3rd layer up. They're getting ready to tow me in. That's about it. They're gonna dunk me in the water here. Oh, she's cold. Perfect.